Yeah, welcome back. Just a fast service job on the 2007 Toyota Urus here. It's blowing a lot, but we get up some aero calls and things. So just taking the service out. I just have got the parts, so just change the air filter. So at least you know the engine is getting enough air. Sorry about all the noise here. Was the place we had. At least it's sunny. Here, the filter box. 2 clips at least here. Is it some more? No? Come in, straight in. That is all more or less new. No point changing that one. Okay, then we know that. Back here, we need to go back. There. There. One place you need to go in there and here in. Then this clip and this clip. But it should have checked, but I don't have tools here, is the MAF sensor, mass airflow. This one could be dirty, but since the filter looked perfectly new, I don't think so, but later I can check it. I don't have a screwdriver, but I have many videos. You just get this connection off, 2 MacPherson screws, Phillips screws, sorry. Take it out, check it, and put it back. But I can do it in a video so people see it properly. Okay, and this was a lot easier than what I was thinking, since it was a new filter. But okay, at least we have seen how to take it out. That one, just turn it up, drag the filter out, put in a new one. Be certain that it's going into the slices behind, get it down, bang, bang, on again. Don't even need a tool. Very easy. Sorry about the wind, but at least it's going to be a spring, so that's good. Thank you. Please come back. Please put a like on the video and start subscribing. That would be very nice. Going to come back with more on this car, and I have a lot of videos about Toyotas in general. So yeah, thank you.